Hey everybody, it's Jelly with Squid Industries, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do the kiss goodbye. The prerequisite tricks you need to learn before the kiss goodbye are the basic twirl and just your simple reverse chaplains and rollovers. So once you got those down, then let's get to the breakdown of this trick. So the kiss goodbye starts off by holding the safe handle. You want to flick forward and get your index finger on the inside of the safe handle so you can flick the spine of the blade back over your index finger, like this. So out and then back in. But from here, it's like a basic twirl. So push down on your middle finger and get your thumb over here behind the safe handle so that you can drop that bite handle down and it's gonna ricochet off your thumb. So the whole trick so far looks like this. While it's ricocheting off your thumb, so once it hits your thumb, you're going to get your middle finger out from underneath here. So it's tucked in here right now, but once it bounces off, you want to get your middle finger out so that you can replace your index finger here. So once it bounces, you're going to grab the safe handle with your middle finger and then let off on your index finger. Now, the reason you want to do that is because you want to get the bally into this position. So once you get your index finger out of the way, the spine of the blade is going to ricochet off of your middle finger now, and then you're going to replace your thumb with your index finger. So it's going to be like this. So get your index finger here, and then once it bounces back, continue that momentum and let that bite handle fall over your index finger. So now the whole trick looks like this so far. From this point, you want to push down with your middle finger so that you can be in this position next. So push down on your middle finger, let it drop. Now you're going to bring in your ring finger, let go of your index finger, and then bring the spine of the blade and bite handle over your middle finger like this. From here, you're going to push down on your ring finger and then do a similar motion. You're going to be stopping the inside of the safe handle now with your pinky. So from here to here. Now, in this position, there's only a few more steps left, so bear with me. You're going to push down on the safe handle here, and that way this bite handle drops and the safe handle comes up so that your middle finger here can pick it up like this, and then it's going to do one reverse chaplain. You can add more if you like, but that's basically it. So it's going to do that one rev chaplain, and then you do an index rollover to a pinch close like this. Doing that pinch close, so stopping the safe handle here, you want to flick the bite handle over, and then you're going to catch the bite handle between your middle finger and your index finger like this. So the sides of the handle are going to be pinched by your fingers, and then just let the blade and the safe handle come into a close like that. So you can practice just that movement if you're not as comfortable doing it out of a chaplain yet. Here are the 3 combos for the Kiss Goodbye. I'm going to be doing an intermediate, advanced, and expert combo since this trick is already an intermediate trick. You could see in the advanced combo for this Kiss Goodbye that I actually skip a couple steps at the end of the Kiss Goodbye and get straight into an inverse infinity ladder. So that's just one variation of this trick. And for this expert combo, I do a lot of tricks in between the actual moves of the Kiss Goodbye. So I just wanted to show you all that there are a lot of possibilities with not just this trick, but with many other tricks as well. So play around with the Kiss Goodbye and try to make your own variations. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's tutorial. Make sure to do all the YouTube things, so comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all of that. And also visit us at the Squid Industries website so you can pick up a Balisong trainer like this new Squidtrainer V4. And also visit our other social media platforms, links in the description. I'll leave you all with a quick flipping clip as usual. See y'all next time.